Hello everyone! As you already know, there are a huge amount of myth that surrounds investing and finance area. And today we are going to explore and discuss these 5 most interesting and most ranged myths. Let's go! Let's start with the most interesting myth. Myth number 1. Investments are hard and complicated. And for me, it is not a myth. It is right. Even though in the internet and on other sources you can find all information about investments, it takes time and effort to learn everything. As we already know, education, it is an infinite process that you can do over and over and learn something new. Investments is just about this. Yes, it takes a lot of time for education in investments. But as time passes, you get better and better every time. But to say everything about this myth, yes, it is very hard to get into investments, if you're a beginner especially. Myth number 2. You need to know everything about politics. Here is the answer yes and no. If you are a beginner and you have a basic knowledge about politics and investments, you would be okay and alright, but I won't say you would be great doing. Let's take an example of COVID. When we hear in the news we will have a COVID and a shutdown of everything, what does it tell us? Basic knowledge tells us that all the indexes and your investments luckily won't go up, it will go down. But if we take, for example, another political news as USA is going to announce a new interest rate. This is the news where you have to deep down into politics. You need to analyze other documents and you have to predict if this interest rate will go up or down. Depending on this decision, you have to choose your investment right. Myth number 3. You have to trade 24/7. Absolutely not. Every human being has to sleep and has time for his own needs. So if you have a working day of 7 or 5 hours, this is enough to be in the process of trading, because there are news everywhere. For example, you have different trading strategies. This is a very helpful tool for you. If we take, for example, a stock market or forex market, these are the markets that open 24/7 hours on the working days. And this will help you to trade on your working days. Myth number 4. Real estate is the best investment. I guess in the social media you have these ads everywhere. But is this really good indeed? I would say yes, it is really great, but it has its pros and cons. The main disadvantage of the investments in real estate that you need to have a huge amounts of money. Otherwise, you can just invest in the real estate market. This is also as an option because you can invest under $100 or $1,000 and you can get profit from this. Whereas investing in real estate as a physical asset, you have to invest not only in the building, you need to invest also in construction, in workers, and other things that you depend on. It takes time. Finally, myth number 5. You need to have a lot of money to invest. Absolutely 100% myth. Because let's take again, for example, forex market where you trade with a leverage. This leverage depends on your broker. It may vary from 120 up to 1000. We always recommend to trade only with 1% from your initial deposit. It will help you to save your own money. I'm really interested what myth have you heard about? Please write in the comment section below what myth are you thinking about, and I will upload a new video on your own myth. I think this topic is really interesting because trading is such a wide area of exploring that never ends. Don't forget to hit a like button and click a follow because I really engage with you. The world of finance and investing is very interesting and very wide that we can explore every day, every minute. So Stay with us and we are going to discuss these topics in a simple language. Thank you for watching.